Hey everyone, welcome to the CarVenture. Today you are about to see some of the most enduring cars out there that are well capable of covering 300,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. These days, cars have to score properly at reliability ratings before they can be taken seriously by consumers. And fortunately, a lot can actually make the cut. But you see, there are certain car models that are known because of their over-the-top reliability. Or in short, they simply refuse to die. Before I start, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Those little clicks are actually a big help for me in sustaining this channel and creating useful car-related content. Now, let's start this rundown. Subaru Outback. Let me start this list with the Subaru Outback. At the heart of the Outback's durability is its boxer engine design. In particular, they are horizontally opposed engines such as the EJ series, or the 2.5-liter EJ25 engine, and more recent FB series, or the 2.5-liter FB25 engine, as well as the FA24 2.4-liter turbocharged engines. What is so distinct about these engines is their low center of gravity for improved balance and stability. At the same time, they are so remarkable because of their simplicity and ruggedness. The more simple the engine is, the less stressful it is to manage. I don't think that all car manufacturers get that, but I'm sure Subaru does. For example, the engines utilize timing chains on the newer Outback models, which require less frequent maintenance compared to timing belts. Furthermore, Subaru has continually refined the cooling and lubrication systems of its engine to prevent overheating and excessive wear, which are two essential ingredients in keeping the key factors in the long-term reliability of the Outback. The Outback also possesses a symmetrical all-wheel drive system, similar to other Subaru vehicles, and this is a standard feat to every trim of the Outback. This system, which is paired with a durable drivetrain, ensures consistent power delivery to all wheels and is built with high-quality differentials and reinforced axles. It's designed to endure both regular road use and off-road challenges, minus the stress. The suspension system of the Outback is outstanding too. Subaru usually opts for McPherson struts in the front and double wishbone in the rear, as they are quite effective in keeping the ride smooth and steady. This construction also reduces wear on connected components, such as control arms, bushings, and tie rods, which, in turn, allows the Outback to survive up to 300,000 miles without any signs of retiring. Honda Civic. A lot of people find the Civic to be a boring car, which is not true, especially with the latest generations acquiring fresh designs and driving dynamics. But obviously, that's not the very reason why the Civic is such a beloved car. It's among the few entry-level sedans that can hit 300,000 miles or more due to its efficient engineering and rigid assembly standards, which is pretty much known to most Honda cars. At its core, the Civic boasts the use of well-designed powertrains. We have inline-4 engines, such as the D-Series, K-Series, and the latest L-Series turbo engines used in modern Civic variants. All of these engines that I mentioned have robust construction, which is practically obvious with their cast aluminum blocks, chain-driven camshafts, and forged steel crankshafts. These are some features that guarantee that the Civic can run for a really, really long time. Those who have owned or driven a Civic know about some of its advanced technologies like VTEC or the variable valve timing and lift electronic control. The VTEC is another integral aspect of the reliability of the Civic. It further enhances the efficiency of the car and reduces the mechanical stresses on its engine by optimizing valve operation across varying speeds, resulting in the engine surviving extensive use. The drivetrain and chassis components of the Civic aren't clunkers either. They are so damn resilient that they are among the parts of the Civic that are last to die out. And the best part is that they have such low maintenance, which should give your wallet some breathing room. Honda also pairs its engines with reliable transmission options, such as manual transmissions, with durable synchronizers, or continuously variable transmissions featuring advanced fluid dynamics to reduce wear. These drivetrains are designed to handle long-term use without significant performance degradation, but with the condition that you maintain them regularly. Additionally, the McPherson strut front suspension and multi-link rear suspension are made of durable materials, like hardened steel and rubber bushings, which, in my opinion, are among the reasons why the Civic can endure potholes without getting whacked. Toyota Sequoia. This isn't the first Toyota you'll see here, and you are about to know why. But the Sequoia got its full-size charm, not only because of its monstrous performance, but also because of its ability to endure more than 300,000 miles, especially when the upkeep is regular and timely. To be fair, the construction ethos of the Sequoia is pretty much the same as other Toyota. It uses durable components, strict assembly process, and simple yet proven engineering. I mean, this is the only formula used in Sequoia, and I haven't seen it fail yet. The foundation of the Sequoia is definitely its body-on-frame platform, which it directly got from the Toyota Tundra. I have to emphasize that it's more structurally durable than the unibody platform, allowing it to tackle off-roads with optimal efficiency. Plus, the use of high-strength steel on its frame and critical mountain points is such a brilliant move to reduce the flexing of this SU, especially when it is under stress. Practically, that means less stress on its drivetrain and suspension components, and that's less exposure to stress over time. The Sequoia is also known for its rugged, independent front suspension, or what they call IFS, and this one works hand-in-hand with its live rear axle with coil springs. These two provide a sturdy yet adaptable system that is well capable of handling rough terrains and heavy loads minus premature component failure. But of course I can't deny that Sequoia's longevity is mostly due to its powerful and dependable I-Force engines, such as the 5.7-liter 3UR FE V8 in earlier models, and the latest 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain, which is present in the 2023 onwards models. These engines are equipped with forged steel crankshafts, dual overhead camshafts with variable valve timing, and advanced cooling systems, or those that actually keep them performing smoothly even under stress. The previous 3UR FE V8 engine in particular has proven itself in millions of vehicles worldwide as an engine capable of running hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. If you own a Sequoia with such an engine, you're one hell of a blessed person. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is among those few cars that I can say simply refuses to die. By all means, it has the means and ways to hit 300,000 miles, all thanks to the combination of its precise assembly process, properly engineered components, and of course, the company's thrust toward durability. Yeah, Honda is a brand that built itself by building dependable cars. The Accord is a ripe example of that. Now, what makes the Accord reliable? Let's start with its powertrain. Honda has equipped the Accord with a number of engines throughout its existence, but the most dependable and got the most records of 300,000 miles are engines like the 2.4-liter inline four-cylinder units, such as the K24 series, and the more recent 1.5-liter and 2.0-liter turbocharged engines the car uses. The K24 engine, in particular, features a chain-driven timing system. What this does is reduce the need for frequent replacement compared to typical belts. At the same time, the Accord includes forged internal components, improved cooling systems, and low-friction technology to minimize wear. These are standard components of the Accord, nothing really special about them. However, they are quite effective in running the car efficiently for extensive periods. Plus, the Accord's continuously variable transmission and 6-speed automatics, which are actually used by the recent generations of the car, can smoothly operate even under high mileage, especially if you maintain it regularly. Again, the key word is regular maintenance. However, those are not the only factors that keep the Accord running even past 250,000 to 300,000 miles. So you see, the assembly process of the Accord is just impeccable. Honda is known to apply tight tolerances and advanced robotic assembly techniques to ensure that the Accord can be as sturdy as possible. There's also the fact that Honda likes to simply use parts to reduce failure points, and this has been such an integral feature that has prevented many Honda Accords from experiencing sudden mechanical breakdowns. Toyota Land Cruiser. Land Cruiser's claim to fame has a lot to do with its reliability, but you don't have to believe me on this. You can check the accounts and user feedback about the SUV, and you'll probably arrive at the same conclusion as I do. First, let me emphasize that I am referring to the full-size Land Cruiser here. For those who aren't aware yet, Toyota decided to scale down the Land Cruiser in the mid-size segment, leaving the Sequoia in the full-size segment so that it can be more quote-unquote marketable. I am not saying that the new Land Cruiser isn't reliable. What I am trying to say is that it's too early to see what the freshly redesigned SUV can do in terms of reliability. Now, did the old Land Cruiser achieve 300,000 miles? Yes, you're damn right. The car, after all, has over-engineered components, and they are perfectly matched by its robust design and meticulous assembly. The Land Cruiser is built on the tested and tried body-on-frame construction, which, by all means, is sturdier and more durable than unibody platforms, especially if we're talking about heavy-duty or off-road use. Its ladder frame is reinforced to withstand high stress, and practically all of its critical areas, such as the suspension mounting points, are constructed to manage extreme loads without breaking. The foundation is solid, and that substantially ensures that even under prolonged use in harsh conditions, the chassis of the Land Cruiser remains solid and maintains alignment. And another critical factor for Land Cruiser's reliability is its powertrain, particularly the engine and transmission. I hope I don't bore you with this, but you see, Toyota equips the Land Cruiser with engines such as the 4.6-liter 1UR FE V8 or the 5.7-liter 3UR FE V8, depending on the market. Regardless, these engines are known for their durability because of dependable features like forged crankshafts and double overhead camshafts. And it uses timing chains instead of belts, which is proven to have an extensive lifespan without requiring excessive maintenance. Now, its automatic transmission, commonly the 8-speed or 6-speed ACEN unit, is well capable of taming high torque loads minus the stress and wear. This is due to the fact that it uses clutch packs as well as those premium fluid cooling systems. So, as you can see, there's no secret sauce to the Land Cruiser's reliability. It's just built differently. It's an absolute unit. And that wraps up this list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and drive responsibly. Peace.